This is what it looks like getting off work with these big heavy equipment here in Irvine at the water park. As you can see, some of the big scrapers, paddle wheels, multi-graders, blades, some backhoes right here. Fellow worker there, that's an ace operator there. And anyway, as you come walking through, looking at some of these push-pull scrapers, as you can see, double engines, big line of scrapers, looking as far as you can see. 637s on the left, 657 scrapers on the right. And this is what's left of Wild Rivers. Bunch of rubble. 10-4 Tomcat out.